So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now we're going to expand control set 001. Now we're going to expand control. Now we're going to expand session manager. I want to make this a bit bigger. Now we're going to find session manager. We're going to scroll down till we find session manager. Here it is. You want to expand this. Now you want to find memory management. You just want to click on it. So we're going to scroll down and then click on memory management. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to find clear page file at shutdown right here. Double click on this. You want to make sure that in this box right here, in the validator box, you have the number 1. So make sure that on the validator it says 1 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on adjust for best performance, which will now unselect everything. Now once everything's been unselected, you now want to click on custom. And you want to tick show thumbnails instead of icons. You want to tick this. Then you want to tick smooth edges of screen fonts. Tick this as well. So you want to untick everything and just make sure they have both of these ones ticked and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. Now you want to find sysmain. We're going to scroll down until we find sysmain. Double click on it. Change the startup type to disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in task manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on startup apps. Now we're going to be on the startup apps tab. And then once you're on this, it's going to be showing you all the applications that start up automatically when your computer turns on. So in my case, Security Health Systrace starts up automatically when my computer turns on. And I know it does because under status it says enabled. I don't want it to start when my computer turns on, so I'm going to click on it and then click on disable. Now it's not going to start when my computer turns on. Repeat that for all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.